Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create bracelets using rubber bands. In this tutorial I will show you how to make a rainbow bracelet. So I will put the bracelets, the rubber bands away, and I will show you how to create the bracelets. First of all, we take a rubber band and twist it like this so that it looks like an 8. I'll put the rubber band on my fingers like this, and I will add another rubber band which I will not twist. So the second rubber band is normal, so it looks like an O. Then I add another rubber band, which I also leave the way it is, untwisted. So I only twisted the first rubber band, the others are not twisted. And now I will take the first rubber band and put it over the other two rubber bands like this. Now I will push downwards my rubber band so that I have more space here, and I take another rubber band, untwisted rubber band, and I put it on my fingers this way. And now I take the blue rubber band and put it over the other two rubber bands like this. Let's see from a closer distance. So I take another rubber band and, without twisting it, I put it on my fingers like this. Now I take the yellow rubber band on the bottom and put it over my two rubber bands. I will push the rubber bands downwards so that I have more space here on the top. And I take another rubber band, untwist it and put it on the fingers like this. Now I take the orange rubber band from the bottom and put the orange rubber band over the other two rubber bands like this. So I'll push the rubber bands downward so that I get more space here, like this, and I'll take another rubber band and put the rubber band on my fingers like this. And I take the purple rubber band from the bottom and put it over the other two rubber bands. And I will continue making the bracelet using these steps until I finish the bracelet, and then I will show you how to close this bracelet. And now our bracelet is ready, and let's close the bracelet. So I have these two rubber bands here. I add one more rubber band like this, and then I lift the two rubber bands on the bottom over my last rubber band, and now I put the S-clasp through one side of the rubber band, then through the other side of the rubber band like this, and now I turn the bracelet, and the other end of my bracelet goes through the S-clasp like this. So as you can see, I have created a very beautiful rainbow bracelet. And let's see what it looks like on the wrist. So as you can see, in a couple of minutes you can make a very beautiful bracelet using rubber bands.